In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Payhip link. If you've been wanting to personalize or update your Payhip link, you've come to the right place. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can easily make the change. First things first, you'll need to log into your Payhip account. Once you're on the home page of your Payhip dashboard, take a look at the top right corner. Here, you'll see the Account button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing the settings where you can make changes to your account details. Now that you've clicked on Account, you'll find a drop-down menu appearing. From this menu, you want to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you'll be able to adjust various aspects of your Payhip account. As you land on the Settings page, keep an eye out for the Username box. This is the key to changing your Payhip link. Your Payhip link is directly tied to your username, so altering your username will automatically update your link. Next, you need to decide on your new username. Think carefully about what you want it to be, as this will be part of the URL that you share with your customers. Once you've decided, go ahead and type your new username into the username box. Make sure it's unique and reflective of your brand or identity, as this will be part of how people find and recognize your store online. After entering your new username, double-check to ensure there are no typos or mistakes. It's always a good idea to verify it to avoid any potential confusion or issues with accessing your Payhip link later on. Once you're confident everything is correct, simply save your changes. And there you have it. Your Payhip link is now updated to reflect your new username. It's as simple as that. Remember, whenever you need to share your Payhip link with customers or promote your products, you'll use the updated URL that includes the new username you just set. This change can help you better brand your store and make your link more memorable to your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from updating their Payhip link as well. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Payhip. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you make the most out of your online business. Have a great day.